my channel. Yes, today we have another wish haul. Oh, I've been collecting parcels again for the last month since I did the last one. I still had a few bits that hadn't arrived, so I thought I'd order a few more pieces and make it into another haul. Yeah, so I have over 10 parcels here, obviously ranging between jewellery and clothes, so we're gonna get to open it today. I'm so excited because I've been saving these again for quite a few weeks and I haven't opened them. So let's crack on with the first parcel. Let's go for a little one. So we've got this little one here. Let's get it opened. It says that it's a ring. So let's just crack that open. As usual, I'll put a little picture of what it's supposed to be on the screen here. Ooh, oh, this is nice. You do have to be careful with this like costume jewellery because it does sort of tarnish a little bit. The one that I got last time, the other one with the bow on, has tarnished a little bit because I've worn it quite a few times. Now, this feels quite light. It's obviously a nice diamante. So I'll just take that off, this one off. Put that one on that's a really nice fit for my middle finger, if you can see that. That looks really nice, doesn't it? You could wear it on that finger, which again looks quite nice. Yeah, really nice. I think again it was either £1 or it was free. I can't remember, but I will put everything on the screen as I normally do. So that's that one. So let's crack on with the next parcel. So we have this one here. It feels quite squishy. So let's just open it. Right, so we've got, oh, just open that. I'm not even sure what this is. Okay. Don't know what that means. Definitely screwed in here. Oh, I think I know what this is. I got everything in an XL again. So this is a top. I remember it now. I'll put a little picture here. It's quite thin in the old material. So yeah, it's got like little hoops on the arms there. So it kind of looks like that with long sleeves. So let's try this on. Right, so there we have the top. I've left my white t-shirt underneath it. Yeah, you can see that it's got these little like cutaways in the arms for your arms to go through. So yeah, I actually quite like that. As I say, it is a little bit see-through-y, as you can see from the front. I think you can see my bra a little bit. And I have got a t-shirt underneath as well. So you need to wear, mine's obviously a white t-shirt, so you definitely need to wear black underneath here and not a white t-shirt. But yeah, I actually quite like that. I think it's quite cute. I do like the cold shoulder thing. So yeah, actually happy with that. It kind of looks thicker on the picture, but it is just a really thin t-shirt material. But yeah, quite like that. Really happy with that one. Right, the next parcel. So we'll go for the little parcel. So we'll go for this little parcel here. It actually feels empty, but hey ho, let's open it up. Oh, it's some kind of chain. So yeah, it looks like it's got a leaf on there. Right, it's open now. You can actually put it over your neck. So let's just put that on. Yeah, so let me just, there we go. That's quite cute. Quite like that. And it's a nice length as well, so you could just wear it here. You could possibly put it on a shorter chain if you wanted it a little bit higher like there. But yeah, I quite like that. It's quite cute. So let's move on. Right, so the next parcel, we'll go for a bigger parcel again. So we've got one here. So I did actually open this. Yeah, no idea what that is. So let's just pull it out of its packet. It looks to be something white. It's obviously in an XL. And let's crack this open. Oh, it feels really nice. It's a really nice material. I don't remember this. Oh, wow. Jeez. This is some kind of some kind of jumper, but it looks very large. Let's try this on. Needless to say, this one is hilarious. I think this is supposed to be a, let me just move you down. I think it's meant to be a dress, but I'm not quite sure what's going on. Yeah, it's kind of shapeless. Let's get a picture up to see what it's supposed to look like. This is supposed to be an autumn and winter sort of knitted dress. I think it's meant to be off one shoulder according to the picture. So I can't quite get it off one shoulder because it's too tight. But on the photo, it's kind of like a dress. I suppose you could wear it as a dress. It's going to be a little bit on the short side. It's kind of a bit see-through as well. Looks cute on her, but not so sure about this. It kind of looks like the picture, but again, it isn't hanging off my shoulder as it does in the picture. Yeah, not sure about this one. It might be nice just to slouch around the house in it, but apart from that, I think that's a bit of a thumbs down. Right, going back to a little parcel. We've got this little parcel here. Let's get this one opened. Oh, this one comes in a box. It's a little box. Open it. Wow, this one's nice. This is a ring. This one is so pretty. How nice is that? Let's just pop that on. It's perfect size. So nice. Like that. Definitely be wearing that one. So yeah, thumbs up. Moving on. Right, we have another little soft parcel here that's obviously going to be some sort of clothes again. It actually says that it's a dress on the front here. So let me just open this up. Oh, right, okay. This is kind of a lacy dress. I got XL because I can always mod it if I need to, sort of fix it. It's rather thin. It kind of smells awful, but yeah, it looks quite pretty, but I can see straight away that it's going to be completely see-through, so let's just try this on. There we have it. Let's put it this way, I cannot wear it as a dress. It is way too short. So yeah, let me just give you the whole length of this. Yeah, so that's the length. If I had no trousers on, it would be showing my bum right now. So yeah, I cannot wear it as a dress. I could wear it as a nice top. So what I might do is, because there seems to be some sort of seam going on here, which looks a bit weird. It looks like it's been stitched on incorrectly, because you can see here that it doesn't quite line up with this pattern. Yet this side it does, which looks a bit rubbish really. But what I might do is I might cut that bit off and stitch this end bit, which is this bottom pretty bit at the bottom here. I might just stitch it to this band here. Yeah, because obviously the underskirt is literally quite short as well. It's quite see-through. Obviously I've got my like nice little top underneath it, so it looks pretty cute. I mean, you could just get away with just tucking that in, but you'd end up with a lot tucked in. So I do think it would look better me just chopping that little bit off. And if you want to see a DIY on that, I don't mind doing a little bit of a DIY. I've got my sewing machine in the cupboard here. We can chop that off, stitch it back on and make it into something else. So if you do want to see that, then just let me know and I'll do a video on that. So yeah, but yeah, happy as a top, dress, not for me. Sorry guys. We are down to 4 parcels left. So yeah, I'm just going to open this little bitty one here. Oh, this is nice. This is a bracelet, as you can see. Let's just open that up. It is just fashion jewellery. It's not like silver or anything like that, but that is so pretty. Yeah, if you want to just see it on my wrist there. Let's take my face out of it. That is so nice, isn't it? Yeah, not bad at all. Beautiful. It's just for a bit. They're actually little love heart shapes, which are really cute. Shapes of love hearts, which look so cute. So yeah, absolutely love that. Yeah, really love that. So yeah, thumbs up for Wish on that one. I find the clothes are a little bit hit and miss. You do have to be a bit careful. And as I say, I'm so glad I got the extra large, because otherwise that wouldn't have fitted me at all. So yeah, right, so we're down to another, it's obviously some sort of clothes again. So let's just open this up. It does say that it is a dress. I remember this one. Got a belt with it as well. Dress. Again, I'm not so sure of the length. It actually feels quite nice. It's not massively see-through as well, which is really good. So yeah, let's just try this on. First things first is it's too small. Let me just show you. It is too small. Oh my god, have you seen that? Like, I'm going to be able to wear that without trousers. So yeah, I mean, I know I'm on a diet, but hey, that is way tight. Even if I lost a little bit more weight, I don't think I'm going to get in that. The best thing I can do is either make it into a top or put it in the charity bag. As I'm not totally keen on the pattern now, it's going to go in the charity bag. Sorry, Wish, but thumbs down on that one. And that's an extra large. Last parcel, I'm afraid. So yeah, it's this parcel here. It's a big parcel. So yeah, let's crack this open. Got a load of bubble wrap around it. It's in like a little bubble wrap bag. And there are some boots. I haven't bought shoes before. But hey, let's try these on. These actually look quite nice. They're not too high as well, which is really good. And they are super long. So let's try these on. Right, so these are the boots. They are really nice. Yeah, you could wear them with jeans like I've got right now. Which I think look really cute. Or you could wear them with a skirt. Yeah, really nice heel as well. You know, not too high, which is what I like, because otherwise you get aching feet. But yeah, really like these. These were a really good buy. Yeah, brilliant. Love them. Right, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed the Wish haul. I got some really good buys this time, and a couple of not so good things. But anyway, so that concludes this Wish haul. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.